Alright guys, let me discuss queue using linked list. Okay, this time let me create the data first. Okay, data placeholder, node successor, and then node constructor. Now so inside constructor we will parameterize with the data itself in type. Then this data equals the data from the user or the hard code. Okay, so this is already null, so no need to make it null once again. Now let's go to linked queue, create the head first. Okay, void, so add in queue. Okay, add in queue. So what do you want to add? The data. Okay, inside queue, node insertion as we used to do in linked list. Now this is data coming from here. If head equals null, we are checking whether the link is empty or not here. So you can point to insertion, right? If that is not the case, we are going to utilize how we used to add in the add last method of linked list. Okay, node current head, that should point to head, run while loop, current not null. In that case, current equals current dot successor. Okay, so this is how this is passed. When this is passed to the last, then at the same time we are going to hit it. Okay, current dot successor to insertion, which we are going to insert, right? How we are going to insert it. Now let's pop it out. Node remove from queue, then after return head equals head dot successor. The head moves to the right side. Now let's create one method. Okay, current, then after we use the while loop. It's all done. So let us create linked queue, LQ. Okay, then LQ, add in first. Let's make 100, make it 500 also. At the same time we have this data. Let me do one thing here. So I need to print it, right? Otherwise we will not see this one. So current dot data. But what I'm going to do here, let me print in a row. Let me call print queue method, and then let's see it. Okay, so we have 1 to 400. So what really happened to 500? Let's check. Here is the problem, I think, because it's not going through. So we have 1 to 500. Now we are going to call, let me do one thing here. After removing, so let me call LQ dot remove method. Only one should be removed from the queue. Okay, and then again let me print it, LQ dot print. So after this, let's check whether this 100 will be gone or not. Okay, so after remove we have 200 to 500. Okay, so the first one is removed from the queue. All right, so this is the basic structure of queue using linked list. Thank you.